Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya Pawar and I share everyday life and the small things that makes life easier from Taiwan. So today I'm going to unbox a same tool that going to make your life easier. So it's a Panasonic hair styler. I'm going to unbox it from the scratch and going to share you a honest review, and this is not sponsored. Before we start this video, tell me one thing honestly. How many hair tools do you have? I personally have many, just like this hair curler. I don't want this anymore. The hair straightener, I don't want this anymore. The hair dryer, I don't want this, but I want one tool which will help me. The 6-in-1 Panasonic hair styler. So let's get unboxed. I brought this one because I want my life to be easy. Now I'm a working professional and you can see my hairs are too long. So I want them to style every day. So just like you, my beauty, let's see the box. So this is the Panasonic hair styler. The model number is EHKA71, which is mentioned up here. So now you can see here, this is the 6-in-1 hair styler. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 tools inside this. So here we can see this is silent. It is not quite okay, but it's silent, 59 decibel they have mentioned over here. And backside they have mentioned all the nozzles or all the attachment they have. They have the blow brush, then the volume lifter, then we have the roller brush, then nozzle, air iron, and the 2 air clips. So, and this is the original main product we have. And here we have the dry mode, set mode, and the cool mode. And here you can see they have mentioned one extra language, which is Arabic, because the product is from Dubai. On this side we have the 3 airflow settings, then the cool mode and quieter operations they mention over. Now let's do unboxing. I really like to do unboxing of the products. So let's see what we have inside of this one. Oh my god. Okay, so we have this warranty card. It shows 1 year warranty. Let's keep it aside, we don't need this now. Then what's this one? Oh, this is the, okay, from this side. Okay, this is the manual and it is so long. I already read this. Okay, let me tell you, this is not the day I'm unboxing it. I already check all the product because I need to verify it if I have it or not, because otherwise I have to return. You can see the product are so neatly placed. So let me show you one by one product and let me show you how to use them. Let's get started. So this is the main styler body. It has really good plastic cover. Then the wire is I think so long. Let's open it. Okay, it's so long, you can see here. Then this is the 360 rotating, which we always need when we work. Then we have the 3 air settings over here, 1, 2 and 3. Then here you can see we have the hook for the attachments, and then this one, it's really good. I really like this part of the product, that you can clean from here. See here, you can clean from this side, and this you can lock again. And this up here is a steel body. So this one is really good because it gets heated but not that much. Then let's check the second one, what we have here. Okay, so this one is the nozzle. I just open it. Oh, this is really good white color. I just like the white color, that's why I picked this one. So you can see here we have the hooks like this one for the attachments to get it, and it's really good. The body is really good, the plastic is really good. I just like this one. Then this is the curler. Okay, everything is packed in very good plastic one. See here, this one is really good and easy to do it. I just like this one also, and yeah, good one. Then this is the volume lifter. Okay, so it has really good comb like structure here. These are the big one and here is the small one, and this one is really good. And yep, let's see next. Now I'm showing you live demo of this. Let's see कैसे होता है ये. Now, okay, so first let me tell you, the pin is like this. You might need the adapter for it, so please check that out. So let me connect this one. Okay, so let me show you, this is the 0, 0, it's off. Then if we go to the 1, then this is the cold air, this is not the hot one, this is very cold. I can put my hand here. Then this is, see, the sound is low now, but the air is hot. Hot means this is the warm one. I can put my hand until here, so this is the warm one. And when we go for the third one, this is the last, and the sound is also bit higher and the air is also hotter. I cannot place my hand so close. So this is the airflow. That's it. And now let's go for the first attachment. So this one is the nozzle as we already discussed. So let me attach it. Okay, with like this. Okay, so we can attach it in this side also, or if I remove it, or this side also. So it's depend if you're left handy or if you're right handy. So I myself prefer like this. So this one is better for me. So let me wet my hair and then I will show you how it works. I will show you the comparison of this one, and I have this is my old one. So I will show you the comparison of this one and this one. Let's see which one work better or both are similar. Now let me wet my hair. This is the water spray. I spray on the both ends. Okay. Okay, this is quite wet now. Okay, see, you can see here my hairs are quite wet. Now this side also. Okay, now this side also you can see my hairs are quite wet. Let me show you comparison of both the strands. See, they are quite wet. Now let's get started. This is the first one. We can, okay, I'll show you first the hot air, the warm one, and then the hotter one. This is the warm one, and you can see here the breeze, and now I'm making it the hotter one. Now you can see this is quite dry. See, this is quite dry now. Okay, now let's try my old one on this side. So here for this we have only two airflow. This is the low one and this is the high one. So let's try the high one. As we try the high one for the Panasonic, same we are doing here this side. You can hear the sound is bit more, that maybe my sound is, you cannot hear my sound. So the airflow sound is really loud over here. And the Panasonic one is, as they claim, it's really low. That's it. Now you can see the both sides. This one is the Panasonic side. This one is also dry. And this one is my old one, hair dryer. And this one is also dry, but until here it's little bit wet. I can feel it. It's not dry completely. But this one is also good. I have been using this from since long time. This one is also good, but I like the Panasonic one. Now let's try the new one. It's not that much heated, I can tell you. I can put my hand over here. So let's try the next nozzle. So let me try the hair. This is the blow brush. Okay, this one is the blow brush, and again I will attach it in this way only. I like this side, and this side I'm comfortable on this side. So again for it, the blow brush is for your straightener. So I will show you my old straightener and the new straightener. Let's see how both works together. So I have this one. This is my Philips hair straightener. I have been using this from past, I think, 3 years. Yes, I have been using this from 3 years. This is a gift from my brother on the Raksha Bandhan, so it's really good. I just like this one. This is my go-to till now. Okay, So we will do this one Philips on this side and again the Panasonic on another side. For this also we have the two hot mode and this also we have the two hot mode. So let me heat this up first. Okay, here I'm heating this up now. It will take a few seconds to heat up, and see here the button is on, and until then I'm doing this one. So first let's do the Panasonic one. I'm getting it on the high air one. Let me brush it on like this. Yes. Okay, now you can see in the few swipes this is really straight. Means it's not actually the straight one just like you use the iron one, that one. No, it's just the everyday go-to one, but this is straight. I just like this one. And now let's try the Philips one. This take bit long time to get warm, and this one is really easy. You can do it immediately. So let's see the comparison. So I'm doing it on the another side. There is no voice for this, no sound. You can directly comb it like this. I like the combing stuff because when you comb your hair like this, or maybe there is the air just like the Panasonic one, so your hair will not get damaged that much. Because when you put your hair inside two plates like that, the old one, then your hair of course get damaged. Yes, I know that gives you really smooth straightened hair, but I think this is much more easier, and I think this is good for your hair to keep healthy longer time. And they are easy to do. It's not like when you put your hairs between the iron plates, this really makes bad for your hairs. Done. You can see the comparison. I think both are the same. I like the Philip one because I'm using this from long time. So yes, of course I prefer the Philip one. But if you want everything compact and handy, you cannot take the straightener different and the color different, then you want something single. Then I think the Panasonic one is the go-to one, because maybe it will take a longer to swipe your hairs, but yeah, this one is also good, but if I prefer, I like for the straightening the Philip one. Yeah. Let's see what the next attachment we have in the Panasonic. Okay, now let's try the curling attachment. Okay, so let me put this on. I'm not a very curls doing girl. I don't like to do curls more, because I like to do the straightening my hair, because my the structure of my hair is the wavy one, so I don't like to do more the curls. Let's see how this works, because I have never done the curls by myself. I'm doing this first time. So let me first pull this up, the air nozzle. I'm putting this on the high speed, not the medium one, because when you are doing the curls you need the high one. So first let me use this one. We have the clips over here. Let me get one strand from my hair, because as we are doing the curl, you need to use this one, and you can fold this up and like this. Here you can see this one is really good. This is the useful one. And now let me pull this on like this, and okay, now see, the curls are really good. Man, these curls are really good. I really like this one. See, if I open it, yes, you can see the curls. They are really good. Okay, so for the curls, I will say yes, this is really the go-to one. And see, I can put my hand over here. It's not that much hot. So of course, I will recommend this one. Why? Okay, why I can put my hand over here? Let me make this one clear. See, you can see here the small openings. So this is just the air. The air is using to heat it up, and then it's getting on your hair. So that's why this is not because of the plate and everything. So this keeps your hair health really longer. It's really so good. Removing and attaching the nozzles, it's really being easy, because when we have the different type of attachment, it should be easy for you to keep it going. So let's try now this one. What's this one? I forget, sorry. This is the roller brush. How can we forget? We always need this just to make your hairs a bit roller. Okay, I have my heat protection spray. So you can also use this one. This is really the good one, BBlunt. You might have used this, but yeah, this is really good. You can spray this one on your hairs like this. Yes, the small amount, you don't need the most of it. And yes, now you can use it. See, the air is like this. And then if we do it like this, okay, let me first roll my hair up on it like this, and now I will start it on the high one. This is the highest heated one. Just do it for a while, not much, then off it, and I'm removing it. Let's see. See, you can see the bounce in the hair, this one. So if you need the hard curls, you can use the curler one, and if you want the soft one, the wavy one, then we can use the roller one. And let me remove this one. This is the attachment, and this is the final one, the lifter one. Okay, so in this volume lifter, you can see here we have the air coming out from the small holes. So when this is how you need to use, you need to put in this side, like this direction. So what happens, these are the small bristles and the long bristles. When your hairs get inside like this one, it gets lifted up by the air is coming from this side, so it gets lifted up, and that's why your hairs get that natural lift, not the big bouncy one you get in the salon, but the natural one. So let me show you here in this one. I don't think it will show much, but let's see how it works, because I'm also doing this first time in front of you only. I didn't do this. So let me get the highest one, and then let me put this one here like this way. Okay, let me off this one, and let's see, does it showing any different? Yes, it's showing a little bit different, but see, as I am doing it here in the small. Okay, let me remove. I forget this one that I am attaching it up there. Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, so you can see the difference. See, this is the strength where we did this one, and this is my another one. Now you can see the difference. Okay, it's really working, but it takes little bit time that you need to do it again and again. And because my hair are long, I need more time to fix everything up. And for the small hairs, I'm sure this will work. Definitely this will work. And what's the best part in this one? To easily attach and detach everything. I really like this one because of that. Okay, and that's it. That's the actual the honest review of this product. Because I personally, when I want to buy this, I personally search a lot on the YouTube and another stuff on the web, but I didn't find anything that any video, any reference that works for me. Because actually I want to buy the Dyson one, and I insisted my husband a lot that I want Dyson, but of course the husband are so cheesy, they never give you the very costly one, that the Dyson. And he always complains that you are taking a lot of time to take ready to go out and everything. And he said, like, if okay, I buy you Dyson, and just tell me honestly how many times you will use that. I said, I don't know if I use that every day or not, but that's why he said, okay, I will give you something which is similar to the Dyson. So this is actually a dupe for the Dyson. I would say here, as we have all the 6 attachment and same we have in the Dyson, and I would say that this is really the lightweight. When I just unbox it now and I just put it in one small box because I cannot take the big box with me, and I will put it in the small bag. I have my travel go-to bag, and it's really good that it's so lightweight. I think around 400 to 450 grams, not more than that. It's not even the 500 grams. All the attachment with the main styler, it's not that much heavy. So it's really the go-to one, and the honest review is heads up. This you will not find in India. Okay, this I buy in Taiwan, and as I already just Google or research many websites on India. But if you find this one in the India, please comment below. I will also refer to my friends that yes, this is available in India. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Lights, camera, action.
तोंडावर आलंय इथं. And what's the model number? I forget.